Two heavyweights in project management go head-to-head, Teamwork.com and AHA. Which platform truly powers up your productivity? On one side, we have Teamwork.com, known for its flexible collaboration tools, and on the other, AHA, a powerhouse in product road mapping and strategic planning. We're comparing what actually matters, ease of use, key features, integrations, support pricing, and more. Forget the marketing jargon. We're breaking down what really works in real-world scenarios. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out ahead. And trust us, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's the rundown of what we're comparing: pricing, features, usability, reporting and analytics, collaboration, integrations, and finally, purpose fit. I'll walk you through each one so you can get a feel for where these tools really shine. Alright, kicking off with pricing. So, Teamwork.com is all about transparent plans, and honestly, its costs start pretty low, like $6 per user per month. Sounds great, but watch out for those add-ons because the price can sneak up. Now, on the flip side, it's definitely on the pricier end. We're talking closer to $59 per user per month at the advanced plan. It does roll more features in, but for small teams, that's, kind of a sticker shock moment. Teamwork.com edges it out here if your budget's in play. Moving to features, and wow, AHA goes full throttle. If you're all about building out product roadmaps, collecting ideas from your team, or tracking goals, this is your playground. Seriously, it's so dialed for product teams. Teamwork.com does task and project management like a champ. It even throws in time tracking and workload stuff. But it's a bit more agency project team focused, not so much about strategic product planning. Feature battle? AHA nabs the win. Let's talk about usability. This is where Teamwork.com really nails it for most people. The interface is clean, you can jump in and start using it within minutes, and onboarding is almost painless. But if you start customizing, it can get a little overwhelming. Now, AHA is also super customizable, especially if you love templates for product workflows. But the interface, it can get a little dense, especially if you're not used to these big product tools. So for sheer plug-and-play usability, Teamwork.com comes out ahead here. Quick break. Did you know that AHA was actually started by two serial entrepreneurs in a coffee shop out in California back in 2013? Just a cool bit of trivia before we jump back in. Next up, reporting and analytics. And alright, you want data? AHA brings the heavy artillery. We're talking advanced analytics on goals, capacity planning, huge dashboards for executives, the whole deal. But it's not always set and forget. Setting it up does take some work. Teamwork.com does solid project level reports, just not at the same advanced level. So if analytics get you hyped, or maybe just stressed out, AHA is the champion here. Collaboration. Oh, this is fun. So Teamwork.com bakes in all the stuff you'd expect: real-time chat, comments, file sharing, and something I really love. It just makes it super easy for clients to hop in and work with you too. AHA is awesome for keeping stakeholders in the loop with their idea portals, but honestly, it's a little more internal facing, less about clients, more about the team. If you're thinking pure team and client connection, Teamwork.com's the one to beat in this category. Integrations, honestly, both are really solid. Teamwork.com works with a ton of tools out there and is great if you use Zapier and all that. Sometimes you need a higher priced plan for certain integrations, but nothing too wild. Now, AHA has deep connections for dev teams, Jira, GitHub, the works. Their API is strong, just a few integrations pop up as add-ons. But in the end, this one's a tie for integration. So what about purpose fit? And this is super important. Teamwork.com is made for anyone doing client projects, agencies, and people just trying to deliver stuff on time. If you're looking for high-level product strategy though, it's a bit lighter. AHA is laser focused on product management and strategy. Think product leaders, not necessarily project managers. Both do what they promise. Honestly, this one's a tie depending on your use case. Before we wrap up, let's zoom out and see how these two stack up side by side. You can really see where each has their spikes. Teamwork.com shining in usability and collaboration. AHA, dominating features and analytics. It all depends on your priority. So, bottom line, if you're running an agency, handling client projects, or you want something that's just easy to get going with, Teamwork.com is going to be your best friend. But if you're building products, living in your roadmaps and strategy, honestly, AHA is pretty much unbeatable. That's your winner if the roadmap is mission critical. If this helped clarify your decision, hit follow for more of these breakdowns. I've got plenty more app battles coming